Big up to each and everybody up on Instagram and YouTube. This is DJ Rickey Ricardo coming at you again with another exclusive video. Today we're going to talk about a VST plugin that I got from legendary producer Scientists. For those who don't know who legendary producer Scientists is, he is a reggae dancehall producer that has been producing and mixing records ever since the 1970s, all right through the 80s and to the 90s to the thousands. He has also done mixed songs on the famous KJAR radio station from Grand Theft Auto 3. So it was said back in the 1970s, Scientists met King Tubby's, another legendary reggae producer who invented drum and bass, used to use this effect on his mixes. And just recently today, Mr. Scientist had obtained the hardware version, converted it into the real virtual version, which now you can use on your tracks to bring out your bass, bring out your trebles, bring out your mix, bring out your highs, bring out your mids. And I'm telling you, man, if you don't have this in your mix, you guys are missing something out, man. I also want to send a special request to Trevor The Technician for lending me this Riddim that I'm going to give a demonstration on with the effect to show you guys how it works. But I'm going to show you what it does. So stay tuned.